Hello everybody. Well, before starting with this little review, I would like to apologize for my shaking hand because I actually broke this stand for my phone, so I just need to hold it in my hands. So Happy New Year to everybody. Lots of health, all the best, and lots of new goodies for your collection. So let's start. So today I would like to introduce you to a very interesting model. It is actually the medal for participating in the Patriotic War of 1944-45, which was introduced or instituted on 9th September 1945 and awarded for everybody who was actually fighting against the Germans and other forces which were actually allies of the Germans between 9th of September 44 until 9th of May 45. So there were overall 195,000 awardees of this with this medal, or there were soldiers which were awarded with this medal, and it was actually it was then cancelled in 1991, of course, after the collapse of the Soviet Union. So here we can see the medal itself, a pretty neat design. Patriotic War, so that's very thick. Then basically the document, these are the first ones, so it's pretty interesting document as well. It's not the typical documents which you see from World War II, which are more tidier made, but this one looks like handmade, so it was quickly printed, I guess. And it includes the who was awarded with the medal and the date and the stamp. So this is the document itself. It's a pretty interesting piece. So it will be a very short review today. So thank you very much. Stay tuned, and more videos are coming. So thanks again, and enjoy your day. And the second day of New Year. Bye.